In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides the right way. If you've created a presentation in Canva but need to edit, collaborate, or present it inside Google Slides, this step-by-step method will make the process quick and smooth. Stick around until the end so you don't miss an important setting that ensures your formatting stays intact. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your presentation in Canva. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, click on the presentation you want to convert so it opens in the Canva editor. Make sure you're completely finished editing before exporting, because any changes made after downloading won't automatically sync to Google Slides. Once your presentation is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. When the menu opens, look for the Download option and click on it. This is where many people get confused, so pay close attention to the next step. In the File Type drop-down menu, you'll see multiple format options like PDF, PNG, and JPG. What you need to select is PPTX, which stands for PowerPoint Presentation. This is the key step because Google Slides can automatically convert PowerPoint files, but it does not directly import Canva files. After selecting PPTX as the file type, click the Download button. Canva will now prepare your file. Depending on the size of your presentation and the number of slides, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, the file will download to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. Now that you have the PowerPoint file saved on your device, head over to Google Slides. You can do this by going to slides.google.com in your browser. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, look toward the top left corner and click on File, then select Open. A new window will appear with different tabs. Click on the Upload tab. Here, you can either drag and drop your downloaded PPTX file directly into the upload area, or click Browse and select the file manually from your computer. As soon as you upload the file, Google Slides will automatically begin converting it. After the upload finishes, your Canva presentation will open inside Google Slides, fully converted and ready to edit. At this point, you can rename the file, move it into a specific Google Drive folder, and start collaborating with others just like any normal Google Slides presentation. One quick tip, after conversion, scroll through all your slides to double-check formatting, fonts, and animations. Most elements transfer perfectly, but occasionally you may need to slightly adjust spacing or font styles depending on what was used in Canva. And that's it. That's exactly how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides quickly and correctly. Open your design in Canva, go to Share, choose Download, select PPTX as the file type, download it, then upload that file into Google Slides using File, Open, and Upload. Google handles the conversion automatically. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. I post simple and practical software guides to help you save time and work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.